Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Bluetooth in your Chrysler Town and Country. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked and running. This ensures you can focus on the setup process without distraction. Next, locate your Uconnect system on the dashboard. You'll then navigate to the phone menu within Uconnect to begin the pairing process. It's a straightforward process that will allow you to enjoy hands-free communication and audio streaming. Now, let's get both your phone and car ready. On your mobile device, go into its settings and turn on Bluetooth. Make sure your phone is discoverable so your car can find it. Simultaneously, on your Uconnect screen, select the option to pair device or add device. This prepares your vehicle to search for and connect with your phone. It's a crucial step to establish the initial connection. With both devices ready, your Uconnect system will now display a list of available Bluetooth devices. Find and select your mobile device's name from this list. A pairing code, usually a 4-digit or 6-digit number, will appear on both your phone and the Uconnect screen. Verify that these codes match exactly. Finally, accept the connection prompt on your mobile device to complete the pairing. You are almost ready to go. Sometimes you might encounter a small hiccup. If pairing doesn't work on the first try, restart both your phone and the Uconnect system. Also, ensure no other Bluetooth devices are currently connected to your car, as this can prevent new connections. Deleting old, unused Bluetooth profiles from both your car and phone can also help. For specific details, always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for model-specific instructions. Happy connecting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.